So welcome back to my channel, Adam's Adventures again. Today is going to be a little bit different kind of walk. I'm in the Ravenscar in the Yorkshire Moors. Just trying to get my head around that. I'm covering a bit more of a lenient walk, and it was meant to be a seaside town. That wasn't meant to be. So let's just head this way now. So yeah, I want to take a bit more photography this time around. As I've been up here before, I want to show you that my knowledge of this place. Now I've only been certain part to it on the Cinder track line here. I haven't been fully. Yeah, I remember this now. So I did come up this way before, and this is absolutely glorious. You know what? It's really morning. Yeah, so this is actually a pathway. Can go up that way as well. Give it a little shot. So yeah, this used to be a now obviously everything's overgrown. It's a shame because I want to come down here in the winter, but I'd rather have a bit more sunlight. Oh. But yeah, I'm walking up the old traditional crossing path, and you can see back in the 50s, 60s, even before that, train line would have come across over there. To keep up to date with things, all I've been doing is a lot of exercising, a lot of high stamina workouts, boost that stamina for my good old hike in Wales, and just planning my trip in Wales, just replanning it, everything. You know, you want to make sure what days you go into. Hopefully I can do not one but two hikes up there in a matter of days, which is quite rarely. Now I've tried actually climbing up top here before, and I'm not gonna lie, it is absolutely staggering to get a good view off the coastline over there, but hopefully I can get it a bit more down the line there. It's just so quiet on the morning. But yeah, this used to be pretty much a quarry. There used to be, I don't know where exactly, but it'd be like round here. Coming up to my left is the old platform, I believe. Or is it no, it's the actual Cinder track, not a platform. And you can tell here, I mean, look at this, that's part of a quarry or some sort of stone. You can see there, look how the different layers that's just crumbled over the years. To be fair, it's probably been like that for a while. But you can see, look at this, cinder blocks, cinder tracks. So you can see here, that is original. So I've just come across a bit further down, and you can see here where they lay out all these stones. Yeah, they're the cinder blocks underneath there. What a fantastic shot. They're all barred at me, aren't they? Beautiful peacock, look at that. So look what I've just found. A World War II seafront bunker, an outpost. A lot of these are all scattered across UK, but some is really scarce now to find out and see something like this. I think it has been demolished, so this will start to decay, this will start to erode easily, so might as well make the most of it. All I'll do is to see what's in here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this would have been a much beloved outpost, but now it's all wrecked. I must say it's very peaceful, just settle off the seaside, the waves hitting the beach. Not a bad morning to start off with. So I've been here for quite a while, so if I'll set up my photography, don't really do it as much, which I should like to do, but at the same time I might have some ideas in the future. Going back to the Ravenscar area, so they were meant to build the beachfront, a promenade, esplanade, one or the other, and it's meant to be all sorts in this. It's a bit hilly, so it's worth it, you know, up this long coastline here. Majority of coastline here in the Yorkshire Moors, pretty much Scarborough is all hilly, so coastline, seafront there is a win. Whitby on the other end, seafront there. The only problem was there's no beach area. That's why they couldn't build anything around here. There's a fair few guest houses, there's a tea room, just some facilities that you have to use, but it's really nothing, and that's what makes it like an eerie ghost kind of seafront village town era, really. So you can see from here there's a little bit of beach, but it ain't really what a beach is. So if they had to, back in the day, they could have done an artificial beach, which again, would it work? Who knows? But they were preparing themselves for it, and then eventually they decided not to go through the plans, and then it's just been for pretty much a coastal line walk, which you can do. As you can see on here, I'm on the Cleveland Way, so you can do that for pretty much a third of the way on the coastline. So it's not really much, but that's why I want to show you a different era that it should have been. Now this Ravenscar is a bit more quieter. It's nothing to do really much apart from a nice little gentle walk along the Cinder track, Cleveland Way. So I've just climbed up that hill. So come back from Ravenscar, quite a trek, and now I'm on the oldish part of a road that was meant to be built for the esplanade or promenade of the seaside front for Ravenscar. And the reason why I can tell you that, if you come here, look at this, one of the old ditches, drains, still here. So yeah, this drainage system, parts of the road here, not led here, still into place. I think that goes towards the farm now. It's like this old drainage system. Really crazy this. Yeah, so now there's only a manor, like a stay. It's like a hotel really, basically. You stay here and people, and that's the only remaining guest house. A couple more others and a couple down that way. But you can see all of this that they tried to build. Just crazy to see. Yeah, this is a road, you know, this is a pavement and that's a road. So it's just crazy to encounter. So they had that vision where, oh yeah, let's make a seaside coastline, but it just never happened. So I'm just heading up towards the station now, or what used to be the station, but this is the main road. Still on the Cleveland way, but yeah, just right over there is the platform. That's what's left. So it'd be really awesome to look at again. So yeah, this is a part of the famous station, which again, it's still relevant